So I forgot to record, but I do have the bar here taken off of the Sickle Mower. And this is a, I believe it's a model 623 Sickle Mower that was on this 3212H. So I have that off of the main head here. I also have all the guards, the runner shoes, swap board head. There is no swap board on this one. I may make a bracket and a new board for that. I'll have to see. Also do have the wear plates and the bar guides off, and a whole lot of carriage bolts that I'm debating just running a die down to clean up and see about saving them, but I will have to see. But anyway, we will continue on from here. Some of this video will then pick up where the video I started recording. So this one wear plate has a bolt underneath the pitman arm here. So take the pitman arm off, I'll get the blade out, and then see what we gotta work on next. So the bar on the mount here is shimmed quite a bit, and I can't get the bolt out here that's behind the pitman. So I'm gonna take off all the guards here next while it's still up on the chain, and then we'll get those bolts out and get the whole bar off. So all the guards are off. I'm gonna get these two bolts out down here and then take this shoe off next. So now the shoe's off, just these two, and this bar should come all the way off then. So I got the bar off, so now gonna take these shoes off here now. And got the lift chain off here for this. Got two bolts up here holding this in the front, and then well, let's see, looks like I'll have to get this cable off, and then this should all come out then. Okay, so got the mower head here off from underneath the mower. So next up, I'm going to pull these cotter pins, see if I can get this pin here drove out, and get this piece off. And then I guess from there, see about taking these pulleys inside here off. So I'll work on that next and figure out where we're gonna go from there. Okay, so this pin here is kind of froze in there. I got some oil on that, so next up I'm gonna take these two pulleys out of here. Pulleys are out. I can't get this belt out until I drive a pin out that's on the bottom here. So next up, I'm gonna take off this spring, so it's these two bolts here. Get that out of the way, and then this will lay down. And I'll see about that other pin then. So next up, I'm gonna take this bolt out, and that will get this lift cable out of the way. Okay, that's out of the way, so now I can get into this, everything here okay. I'll try to get this cotter key out, and then see about driving that shaft out. Or that one is fairly free, I think. So I think there might be some hope for just getting that one out. Now I have those two pieces separated. This here is still gonna need some time to soak. That pin is in there pretty good. I broke my wooden block trying to get it to free up a little bit. So that said, I'll get this guard here off of this, along with this chain here. And I think this head unit, I'll probably just leave that as is, maybe just wire wheel it the best I can and paint it. I don't know how far I really want to go into taking this all apart, and I can't get it powder coated where it's, I don't like having stuff powder coated where it's gonna have grease and whatnot, so that might just get painted up, and the rest of the stuff I can just get powder coated then. So I will get that off, and I don't know, that'll be about wrapped up then, with the exception of this pin here. Assembly's up on the table here now. This is double nutted, which I don't think is right. So I might end up taking this a little bit farther apart here and seeing what should have been in there versus what's in there now. That's got a little bit of play in it that I don't know if it should be there, if something's not quite right. The pitman also probably has about, I don't know, 50, 55 years worth of grass in it, so I'm also going to try to get this here all cleaned up. So there, I got most of the grass out of that pitman arm. I did get this finally drove out of the frame here. So that's about as far as broke down as I'm going to get. I can start getting some of these parts cleaned up a little bit better. I'll have to wire wheel some of these pins, see about getting a brush into some of them bores. But otherwise, I think this can pretty much go off to sandblasting, the pieces that are going to get powder coated, and dropped off at the powder coater, and hopefully everything will be ready to go and put back together here in, I'm hoping, a week and a half. So that'll be it for this. The next time you see this mower, it'll be going back together.